Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make Murukku or Chakli. This was requested for so long already, but today is I'm ready for the recipe since I have received the mold for the Murukku, and that took me so long to receive. I'm gonna link this down below. You can find this on Amazon. Let me take you to the ingredients so we can get started. In this bowl I have all-purpose flour. Over here this is chana dal, roasted chana dal powder. You can roast this and then blend this into very powdery. And then over here I have salt, sesame seeds, ajwain, pinch of turmeric powder. We need 2 tablespoons of oil to make the dough, and water as needed. To this bowl I'm gonna add all of this, including the chana, so pretty much all the dry ingredient, and then I'm gonna mix all of that first just until combined, and then I'm gonna add the oil and then water. This is just regular tap water, and then we're gonna mix this just until become a dough, just like a roti dough. I use roti dough, the name of roti dough, just because it's easy to understand. We need a little bit soft, just take it this way, like a soft. I'm gonna show you when we get there how the dough should be exactly. For now you're just gonna keep adding water and keep mixing. Okay guys, I made a big mistake to say in the bowl has all-purpose flour. It was actually rice flour. So check the dough. The reason why I say roti dough, you can see it's like a roti dough, but guess what, this is like rice flour, right? And it's very soft, like as you're touching it, that's it, it's like you can break it into pieces and it is still soft. So please avoid the all-purpose flour. This is rice flour. Okay, so now I'm using this mold for my Murukku, and this is how it is. And then the shape, the star, I'm gonna use a star. Like this mold come with like few of the shape of the Murukku. So for this one I'm using the star. So you're gonna add your star inside, and then you're gonna put just a piece of dough just until you fill it. You can add a little bit more. You see how soft is this? Just like that. Okay, and then you're gonna close it just like so. And my oil is preheating, so we're gonna go fry this. Okay guys, my oil is preheating. I just put a little bit piece just to see, just a piece to see if the oil is hot enough. Now just give the shape of the Murukku, keep turning, and then to stop it you have to use your hand. Okay, keep doing this. You can make as big as small. Okay, and just this is just like a medium size. All right, I'm gonna do like 3 at a time, and then just fry until golden brown. Do not flip it now until you see the bottom side has already catch the golden brown color. Then you can flip it because it's gonna break. All right guys, this is getting golden brown. See, after a while when you turn it, and then it doesn't break. If you're gonna turn it right away, obviously it's gonna break. Okay, so I think I'm gonna remove this one here. And then the good thing about this is it does not absorb oil at all. When you eat, you will see it's gonna be very dry. And as you can see, I have already fried like a lot. And then we have like few more to go. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna do my last batch. Whenever you see your mold is empty, you can just fill it, refill it, and then keep repeating. That's it. Alright, now don't flip it, just wait a little bit. My Murukku is ready. I have already snacked some. You're gonna be doing the same if you're making this, because this is so addicted. This is addiction guys. This is so good. Okay, this is too hard. Let me grab. You guys have to hear this crunchiness. You hear that? So good. Guys, this is so good. So simple. You guys can see how simple was the ingredient. Not all-purpose flour, rice flour. Make it and let me know how did you like it. Following the recipes waiting for you down below. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.